Hey yo, what's poppin' with it, PMs, and welcome back to Boneworks. So, I've been exploring this map of Boneworks called Tuscany, which is the map I'm currently on, and I've noticed something. That chimney has a button on it, and you know, I kind of just want to like, bam, but not right now, because you see, this little guy, he's not very nice. He got little sharpie things on him, so we gotta get geared up before we press that button. So, let's head downstairs and, get some weapons. Cue the epic gear up music.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the...
Alright, it's time to face that button, see what mystery it holds. Let's take this little shortcut. Alrighty. I think we should just press and see what happens. I want to get some distance on this one, so 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey, it was just a prank, boys. It was just a prank. I didn't mean to press that. Oh my god! Batter up, boy! Batter up! Come on!
Look at Randy Orton. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh well, this is just great. Come on. Just prank, just prank. Oh shit. Shit. Hey yo guys, holy shit. Oh my god. It was just a prank. Let me open this shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. You fucking bitch. Come on, let's see what you got, my boy. Oh my god. Alright, I'm done with these motherfuckers. It's time for you guys to... Come on. You bitches. Stay away from me. Stay away. I did nothing to deserve this. Maybe a couple things, but we won't talk about that. I don't deserve this. Please. Butterfly. Okay, yeah, maybe I deserve it now, but still. Calm, yo. Oh my god, what the fuck? Guys, it was all just a prank. Can you guys calm down? You fucking bitch. Oh my god. Let's get this done then. Is that thing alive? Ah, shit. Bitch. Yeah. Little bit. These fucking spiders.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
I think that's all. Hold on, just in case. Mad as you feel that. What if I press this again? I did it! They're no more. I have cured this land from disease. Yes! I am Victoria. Fuck. I'm about to Assassin's Creed this bitch. Ooh.